People in Dzerzhinsk call this place the White Sea. The sand just keeps going, but it's not a beach, and it's certainly far from paradise. From 1930 to 1998, more than 300,000 tons of chemical waste were dumped here. The Soviet-era chemical manufacturing hub didn't only produce household chemicals, but also chemical and biological weapons. Today, authorities are trying to clean it up.
A 25-meter layer of sand has been put there. We are now compressing the soil around the entire perimeter. Then we'll put geotextiles, which are permeable fabrics to separate, filter, and reinforce the soil. Then comes another layer of sand, concrete mat, membrane, geotextiles, a lattice, then ground, and finally, grass.
Then there's the sinkhole, which led to a toxic lake. People call it the black hole. The sludge is mostly residue from plexiglass manufacturing. The toxic muck will be mixed with sand and burned in a furnace in a specially built complex nearby. That process is expected to take a year. Recovered sand will then be collected and put back into the sinkhole.
There are more than 16,000 cubic meters of methyl methacrylate here. The problem is that the upper part of methyl methacrylate is not solid and evaporation occurs and accordingly pollutes the air.
The soil, rivers, and groundwater here are also polluted. Toxicity levels are thousands of times above the recommended safety limit. The cancer rate is much higher here than other parts of Russia. A survey a few years ago found that the average life expectancy here is 42 for men and 47 for women.
The problems that exist here are severe, but typical of that in big industrial cities, including the environmental damage. But we've begun cleanup work on the president's instructions, the results of which will soon be seen.
But it may take a few years. Once the cleanup is complete, the local government plans to transform the place into a golf course. Natasha Hussain, TRT World.